Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Hyundai Palisade versus BMW X5. We'll dive into their core attributes, examining what each SUV brings to the table. Our goal is to help you understand the key differences in performance, interior, and overall value. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which vehicle best suits your lifestyle and budget. When it comes to performance, the Palisade features a robust 3.8-liter V6 engine, delivering 291 horsepower. The X5, however, steps up with a 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-six, boasting 375 horsepower. This translates to a more spirited and refined driving experience in the BMW, especially for those prioritizing acceleration and handling. Inside, the Palisade shines with its spacious cabin, comfortably seating up to 8 passengers, making it ideal for larger families. The X5, while typically seating 5, offers a more luxurious ambience with premium materials and cutting-edge infotainment systems. Both SUVs come equipped with a comprehensive suite of modern safety and driver assist technologies, ensuring peace of mind on the road. Ultimately, the choice often comes down to value and budget. The Hyundai Palisade starts around $38,000, providing exceptional family utility and features for its price point. The BMW X5, beginning near $66,000, justifies its cost with superior performance, luxury, and brand prestige. Both are excellent, but serve different priorities. Check the description for a link to these leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.